Global happenings today. We communicate. We analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. One of the palliative or cushioning effects this present dispensation Governor Ahmed Tinubu had brought was actually student loan. That way the student won't have a situation where they are financially handicapped to continue with the education. Of course, after the education they will have to pay back the loan one way or the other, but something unique is going on that is bringing a lot of reactions, and the fact that the whole of Southeast, not one student is qualified for that loan. And that has sparked a lot of reaction. The question is why? Let's find out as NELFUND, the organization in charge of the loan disbursement, have decided to respond to why the whole of a southeastern region is not qualified at all to get the loan. Others have already been getting their loans. Other regions, other students are already getting their loan in very quick succession. Let's dive into the news. Before we do that, kindly subscribe to our channel. Now the Nigerian Education Loan Fund, otherwise known as NELFUND, Nigerian Education Loan Fund, NELFUND, has explained why Southeast students are yet to benefit from the federal government student loan program. On Friday, NELFUND said it disbursed 2,946,927,155 naira to about 27,667 students across 19 universities. And a statement made available to newsmen, of the 19 federal high institutions across Nigeria, no federal high institution in the Southeast was listed. Of course, this has sparked a lot of reactions. People are asking what's going on. Why is Southeast not involved? Now, in reaction, NELFUND said no Southeast federal high institution complied with the directive required for students to access the loan. And NELFUND said geopolitical region was not a factor in the loan process. It called on stakeholders of the region to work with the Federal High Institutions Authority to upload their verification process requested from all schools. Let me quote them word for word. It's important to clarify that geopolitical zones are not a factor in the disbursement process. NELFUND sent a verification list to every institution eligible for disbursement. Payments are being made to institutions that have responded to this verification. Unfortunately, we have not received any response from the institutions in the Southeast. We urge these institutions to complete the verification process so that their students can benefit from the scheme. Now, some of the benefiting federal high institutions include those who have benefited from this loan. They include University of Maduguri, Borno State, University of Ibadan, Oyo State, Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, Osun State, that is in Ile-Ife, Osun State, Federal Polytechnic Ilaro is in Ogun State, and the Federal College of Education, Technical, Guse, Zamfara State, among others. Now, a lot of Nigerians have been asking very strong questions. The question is, not mistakenly, Imo State University, Madudike, Michael Obara University, even the Futo, Enugu, there are so many Nsoka, UNN, even UN, as in their people are not learned or exposed enough not to upload their verification process. Please, can they spell out the criterion, or is there a criteria? Maybe there are more. They should spell it out, and so that people can benefit. Except it's getting really worrisome, because if for any reason, honestly, if for any reason they'll begin to say, let there be repayment of some sort of whatever it is anyone has taken, I think South should be exempted in a lot of things, going by the fact that the hardship is real, whatever market that is subsisting, in fact, sometimes even from the southeast, the money for the per liter, fuel per liter is even more expensive in southeast than every other place. They suffer, they sit at home every Monday. Of course, their governors are trying to see how they can go about it. The economy that is biting in southwest is biting in south-south. That same economy that is biting in south-south is heavily biting in the north central, is biting in northeast. That's the same economy that still strongly bites the southeast. Now, there's no way you would buy bread for 100 naira in Lagos and you expect to see that same bread for 30 naira in southeast. That's because it's the same economy. It's literally looking as if there's more that meets the eyes. I would have even expected, even if they didn't meet the criteria, at least one, no matter how small, even if it is even College of Education, or even if naked police, or even try UNN is popular. Okay, you have ASUT is popular. ASUT is popular, UNN is popular, MSU is popular, IMT Enugu is popular. There are many universities, College of Educations, and polytechnics. There are very prominent private universities, very prominent in the southeast. Not one. I'm not referring to an individual student. I'm referring to a whole institution. Even if you say, okay, let's assume these private universities, they don't know how to go about it, they don't know what to collect. We all know that there's been this agreement of some sort, this nice agreement or nice challenge that goes on those days way back in the university, where they will tell you, the 5 prominent universities will tell you, this one, sorry, if your university is not there, with due respect, I mean no harm. They will tell you we have Unilag and others. They will tell you we have Obafemi Awolowo University, OAU and others. They will tell you we have that's Unilag, University of Lagos. They will tell you we have Futo and others. They will tell you we have Uniben and others. The other person they will tell you we have UNN and others. They are 5, I think 4, very prominent. Each time they want to rank them, if UI is not first, OAU will be first. If OAU is not first, Unilag usually comes second, third. If they are not, then UNN is always amongst them. So if OAU made the list, if UI made the list, I see no reason why even UNN shouldn't make the list. No matter the criterion, they have very old professors, very prominent professors in that school. So there's whatever criterion you will bring, they will fill it. Except there's more that meets the eyes. Then let's see how the universities or the institutions from the southeastern region will respond to this very strong observation made by NELFUND that they are yet to upload their verification process to allow their students have access to a whole region who have not seen that alone.
Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global